Capricorn is Australia's largest automotive cooperative, approximately 23,000 repairers in Capricorn. This particular stand looks after our panel, the collision repair sector, and approximately 1,600 members in Australia and another 700 in New Zealand. So as one of the largest sort of repairer groups, we obviously need to be in the collision repair space, and that's what the team here are today to do.
Yep. Lots of change running.
Yeah. Obviously need to improve equipment, upgrading, staying in line with technology. The global issue of skill shortage is always one that we speak about, trying to find solutions and finding stakeholders for that. We've got the next best thing in our next Futures Collide conference in August in WA and also in Gold Coast. So we're already involved in planning for that, again to bring information, networking, all those opportunities for our members. An extensive field force, so Capricorn is really fortunate to have a very large member-facing and supplier-facing field force. We've been doing that for many, many years, and obviously, as you say, it is very important that we keep in contact with it. That's one of Capricorn's key functions, is working with our membership, recruitment of members in, looking after their needs, interaction with our suppliers, all that stuff.
Yeah, great.
Well, it's an acronym, ADAS. Everybody's doing ADAS.
What's ADAS?
Talking about, so Advanced Driver Assistance Systems in the vehicles. So that's the buzzword. But talk to all of the suppliers. There's coating changes, there's equipment upgrades, there's different metals, there's different adhesives, bonding systems in chassis. It's all that sort of stuff.
Safety mechanism for vehicles, and certainly moving forward, being able to adapt and repair vehicles with those technologies, and having the equipment and know-how to do so is coming very, very quick for workshops. So it's certainly the buzzword.
All that. So yes, you need the operators to do that. You need the facilities in some cases, depending on if you're a collision shop. There's pre-scan, post-scan, calibration, there's windscreen calibration, all fundamentally interlinks. Again, if you speak to all the OEMs, there are all the position statements on it. So these are the things we do.